Take command of the road in the 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Jeep prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by voice-activated navigation, power front seats, automatic dimming door mirrors, a power rear cargo door, and remote keyless entry. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop in and take a test drive.